So we'll discuss the problems based on only the model of simplification, means simplify some functions they will ask. In that, first 47 page number, fifth question we are going to discuss. So it is simplify tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, comma x not equals to 0. Why they have given the condition for this problem x not equals to 0 means if it is equals to 0, total value becomes undefined. Tan 90 degrees you will get. Tan inverse of tan pi by 2 equals to pi by 2, but pi by 2 is not included in the range of tan inverse. Now, so if you recall the functions of assumption forms, root of 1 plus x square is present, then we need to assume which function means tan theta or cot theta I can assume. First, I am assuming let x equals to tan theta. This implies theta equals to function, I can write it as tan inverse x. Then root of 1 plus x square equals to root of 1 plus tan square theta equals to square root of secant square theta equals to secant theta. You can write. If I substitute these forms in this problem, now I am considering square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x equals to secant theta minus 1 by tan theta equals to, if I simplify secant theta I can write 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta I can write in terms of sin and cos as sin theta by cos theta. If I take LCM cos theta, I can cancel that function in both numerator and denominator. Then that step becomes 1 minus cos theta by sin theta equals to 1 minus cos theta formula according to multiple and submultiple angle formulas is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta formula, it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 if I cancel, one sin term if I cancel, sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 will remain, which is tan theta by 2. So that I need to consider tan inverse of this function. So that if I consider tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x equals to tan inverse of what we got, the simplification of bracket function is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan x is x. According to that property you will get half into theta equals to half into what is theta according to our assumption is tan inverse x. So that the simplification of this given problem is half tan inverse x. This one. 47 page number, 7th question. It is tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, comma, conditions is 0 less than x less than pi is the condition. Just as we know formulas, that we will substitute directly in this particular problem, that is 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x equals to, formula for 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 I can cancel. Sin square theta by cos square theta, that equals to tan square x by 2. It is. I need to calculate square root of this function. Then square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x equals to square root of tan square x by 2. Square and square root, if I cancel, this becomes tan x by 2. If I take this tan function to left hand side, then the required case you will get tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x equals to value x by 2. You will get as the answer. Next, 47, 8th question. That is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. While simplifying these functions, a small point what we need to remember is, we need to convert inside function in terms of outside function. As it is tan inverse outside function is there, we need to convert inside tan function, so that tan inverse of tan x equals to x, we can apply the property. Now, how to convert inside in terms of tan? By taking cos or by taking sin. If you observe, if I take sin x common from both numerator and denominator, you will get cos by sin, which is cot. But if I take cos function from both numerator and denominator common, then you will get sin x by cos x, which is a tan x function. So that what we need to take common to get in terms of tan function is cos function I need to take common. So that it is equals to tan inverse of, if I take cos x common, 1 minus sin x by cos x divided by cos x into 1 plus sin x by cos x. If I cancel cos x, then it is tan inverse of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. It is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x in first year trigonometry. Already you learned that form, and we might have proved, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equals to tan of pi by 4 minus x. In the same way, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, if you have, that equals to tan of pi by 4 plus x it is. So that we have to use first form here. If I substitute tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x, it is. Tan inverse of tan x formula, you know, it is x. So that the simplification becomes pi by 4 minus x. It is the answer. So next question is 47 page number 10th question. We need to simplify this function. If you observe, whatever the function is present in brackets, according to that function, what is the assumption function what we need to take is, if you recall, it is x equals to a tan theta. So that let x equals to a tan theta, I am assuming. This implies x by a equals to tan theta, implies theta equals to tan inverse x by a, you will get. Now, if I substitute this function in this 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square equals to 3a square into, in the place of x I should substitute a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube, it is a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a into x square, it is a square tan square theta. What I can take common from both numerator and denominator means a power 3 I can take common and I can cancel. Then the leftover terms will be 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. What is the formula for this function is tan 3 theta is the formula, equals to tan 3 theta, it is tan 3 theta. Now, if you take this tan function to left hand side, then you will get the given problem tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3a x square, it is, that equals to 3 theta, you will get 3 into, what is theta according to our assumption is tan inverse x by a, you will get. So that the simplification of this function is 3 tan inverse x by a. Next one is 45 page number example 5. So the given function is here tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x, comma minus 3 pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. We need to convert into simplest form. What is the logic we will follow to simplify these types of functions is, we need to convert inside function in terms of outside function. As outside is in terms of tan inverse, we need to convert inside in terms of tan, so that we can apply tan inverse of tan theta equals to theta formula. Now for that, cos x by 1 minus sin x equals to, what is the formula for cos theta in terms of half angles means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Only in terms of sin means 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Only in terms of cos means 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Only in terms of tan means 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. But I am using cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 for simplification. Divided by 1 minus sin x. What is a trigonometric identity for 1? I can write in terms of sine and cos is sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin x. How I can write in terms of half angle formulas is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 it is. Numerator it is a square minus b square form. What is the formula for a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So that it is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by, if you observe here, a square plus b square minus 2ab form. Formula for that is, I can write a minus b whole square or I can also write b minus a whole square. According to the given interval, which function formula I have to write means cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. In this step I can write sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square or cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square, but according to the given interval for x, we have to write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Why? Because it should be always positive. Now, 1 cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 term cancel. Then the function remain becomes cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now, we will get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, which has to be converted in terms of tan. According to previous problem, we have to take cos x by 2 from both numerator and denominator. Then it will be cos x by 2, if you take common, 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 common, if you take 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 it is. Cos x by 2 I can cancel. Then it is 1 plus sin by cos tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. What is the formula for that 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2? Means already you know in previous problem it is tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 it is. If I take this tan function to left hand side, then the given problem you will get, that is tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2 you will get if you take this tan function to left hand side. Next one is 50, page number, example 12. The same model, simplification, tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x. Condition a by b into tan x is greater than minus 1. So, if you observe the condition here, a by b one term, tan x one term, then it is x into y form, x into y greater than minus 1, then second property you have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So that I need to convert this function in terms of a by b tan x in denominator. To get a by b tan x in denominator, already a is there, we need to get 1 by b here. So that I have to take b common. Sin x already is there, to get tan x we have to divide with cos x. As we have to divide cos x, I can take directly b cos x common from denominator. So that a cos x minus b sin x, instead of taking common directly b cos x from denominator, what I am doing is I am dividing with b cos x for numerator and I am dividing b cos x for denominator also. So that this total value, if you simplify it, won't have any effect. Now, if you take or split the numerator terms, it is a by b cos x by cos x 1 minus b by b cancel, sin x by cos x, it is tan x, divided by b cos x by b cos x 1 plus a by b sin x by cos x, it is tan x. Now, if you use this condition here, then the given problem becomes tan inverse of this function. Simplified form is a by b minus tan x divided by 1 plus a by b tan x. It is of the form tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy form. Formula is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that equals to tan inverse a by b minus tan inverse, what is there in the place of y means tan x. So that the simplification becomes tan inverse a by b minus tan inverse of tan x property is x. So this is the simplest form of the given function. Now, based on this model, you people, after getting perfect in all these problems, whatever we have discussed in this model, some problems compulsory 100% you need to solve. You need to try the solutions so that you will get 100% confident in this particular model. What are those problems? 46 page number, example 6. 47 page number, 6th question. 48 page number, 9th question. And 52 page number, 15th question. It is, these problems are for your assignment. So the problems based on this model, 4 problems as an assignment I am giving, and have to compulsory solve those questions.